I can see what's happening, and they don't have a clue. They'll fall in love, and here's the bottom line: our trio's down to 2. The sweet caress of twilight, there's magic everywhere. And with all this romantic atmosphere, disasters in the air.